Hi guys, thanks for coming back and watching this video. So this is the DIYHue with motion sensor. Now this is my prototype circuit. So as you can see, I've got the motion sensor here, and there's a LDR that detect the amount of ambient lights there, so it's a little bit dark. Now I've just uploaded the code, and as you can see in the serial monitor, so if I wave my hand, it will detect, it will turn the ESP on from the deep sleep mode, and it detects the amount of light. So that is the amount of light. So there you go. So basically what I've done in my configuration is I configure when there is a motion, right? It will turn on my DIYHue lights with this magenta color, and with no motion, after 2 minutes it will switch it off. Okay, so let's see how that looks like. So I'm gonna plug this in. So the moment I plug it in, the light will turn on because there's a motion. So let me set my Arduino Windows so that you can see. Keep an eye on the serial window there. I'm just configuring, so it turns on. So it turns on the lights. Now you can see when I wave my hand, it will show the ambient lights, and it will keep updating the status. Okay. All right. So I'm going to turn it off to simulate the no motion, because otherwise it will never turn off, right? As I'm keep moving. So there you go. So after the preset timeout, it will turn the lights off by itself. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.